Hello, so this video should help you understand how to get to the work that Jeremiah is supposed to be doing on Friday. So when he logs into the computer, he should see this screen and he'll need to click the backpack icon at the bottom. Once he clicks the backpack, he will see this screen and he'll need to find the one that says click here with the beach. Once he clicks that, he needs to click apps. And then underneath apps, find the Apple logo and it'll have that week's dates. Click the apple. Once you get to the apple, it will have all the work for the whole week. He comes to school every day, so he will not need to do any of this that says Monday, nothing that says Tuesday or Wednesday. He will just need to scroll down until Friday. So on Friday, he needs to do whatever is listed in order to be counted present. So just as a review, he'll go to this screen, click the backpack, click the beach picture, apps, find the apple with that week's dates, and then scroll to the very bottom where there is Friday, and he needs to do whatever is on Friday to be counted present. So that should help. Let me know if you guys have any other questions.